Hello, my name is Hassan Kazepool. I'm a realtor with Remax for almost 18 years. Today I'm talking about looking at the stats for real estate of Greater Vancouver for July 2021. Before we start, I would like you to enjoy the beautiful sunset in beautiful Port Moody. The Vancouver real estate market has gone through a roller coaster since my last video blog. While many thought that the price of homes will drop because of the COVID, but it did the opposite. The prices have gone up quite a bit since last year. There are several reasons for this change. One is just the interest rate went down quite a bit, and also migration of high-rise owner to the suburbs. As a result, we saw the price of homes in houses and townhouses in Fraser Valley, Maple Ridge, Port Coquitlam gone up more than anywhere else. The million-dollar question is, where are we going from here? It is tough to predict the market. There are so many buyers, especially the first-time home buyer that were to purchase their home recently. They probably paying most of their salary toward their mortgage. What would happen if the rate suddenly jumps to 5% because of the inflation? Potentially be entering into an economic uncertainty because of a couple factors. For example, COVID variant and also inflation. Leveraging would be dangerous in an environment where there is uncertainty in our economy. And this year there are lots of investors, they over leverage and they are hoping that everything goes in the right direction. I prepared a few charts that I'm going to discuss it with you guys. I'm going to look at the number of inventory, number of units sold, the HPI price, and also sales to active ratio. I do appreciate to subscribe to my channel and also like it. So I'm hoping to post more video in the future, so hopefully I can update you regularly. This chart shows the total inventory. Number of houses, townhouses, and apartments are currently for sale. One of the issues with the housing market in Greater Vancouver is that there is not enough inventory. As a result, as soon as we see demand starts to pick up, the price rises. As you can see from the graph, total inventory has been decreasing since June 2019. It dropped from 15,647 to 10,075. That's about 35% drop. Summer months are usually slow in real estate because lots of people are going away during the season. So we expect the inventory to stay low during these months. However, we usually see more inventory in the month of September to October. The highest inventory was in September 2008, over 20,000 units, when we had a market crash. I'm hoping we see lots of new development completing in the next 6 months, increasing our inventory. This chart shows the number of properties sold. The number of sales peaked in March 2021, over 5,700 units sold. It has dropped to 3,336 in July, which is about 41% drop, which is still above average, but we are seeing the momentum of sales decrease. It blows my mind about human behavior. For example, we only had over 1,100 units sold in April 2020. Whenever the market is strong and active, everyone wants to get on the bandwagon and be part of the strong market. There is always a fear of missing out. This chart shows sales to active ratio. This is one of the key metrics to show the momentum of the market. This metric shows whether we are in the seller's market or buyers. Currently, we are definitely in the seller's market where the sellers have the upper hand and buyers don't have many choices. We can see that in March 21, 58% of the homes were selling. The best time to buy is when the metrics is 10% or less. As Warren Buffett, the legendary investor, says, buy when everyone else is selling and sell when everyone else is buying. This graph shows the Home Price Index, or for short HPI price. The HPI price has soared from over 600,000 in August 2013 to over 1,100,000 recently, almost doubled. I don't put too much emphasis on this parameter since not all the property goes up and down at the same time. However, this metric shows the trend of overall market. Please see the detailed definition of HPI price in the note below this video. Current market is moving quickly, and it is important for buyers to consult with an unbiased and prudent real estate advisor. As I mentioned before, like a lot of buyers jump in the bandwagon of purchasing a home when the price rises, and without asking the question whether for them is the right things to do. Most of them, they are being influenced with their friends because they purchased something and they made money. So I'll be happy to sit down with you guys and give you my unbiased opinion and look at your intention and your financial situation, and then advise you whether it's the right time for you to purchase or not. Just remember that you make the profit when you're buying a home, not when you're selling. As Warren Buffett says, buy when everyone else is selling and sell when everyone else is buying. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you. And again, I do appreciate it if you share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel and also like it. Thank you so much.